And now getting you an update on the Gujarat Civic poll results. According to Trends, BJP is leading the local body results. It's leading in over 65 seats as of now. BJP certainly is set for a mega victory, while Congress party is leading only in 10 seats. As of now, that is what the trends are looking like as far as the Gujarat Civic body poll results are concerned. BJP leading the local body results. Already we're seeing how some of the BJP leaders are celebrating as far as this particular result is concerned, with BJP's National Secretary also putting out some visuals talking about how BJP is heading towards a landslide victory.
अभी भी ये कहना मानती है कि बीजेपी हर सीट में जीत पे दिखाएगी और अभी ये खाली ट्रेंड्स है। कैमरा पर्सन विपिन मोरी के साथ मैं प्रियंका शर्मा, रिपब्लिक भारत के लिए।
We'll go across to Priyanka in just a bit. There she's reporting from ground zero. Remember how counting of votes for 575 seats in 6 municipal corporations, namely Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Bhavnagar and Jamnagar, began at 9 a.m. under heavy security, strict COVID-19 protocols. The BJP has made big gains in the early leads. That's the latest we're picking up. In Daryapur, for example, Congress bastion in eastern Ahmedabad, the party has retained all 4 seats. As for Rajkot is concerned, BJP is saying that they've won all Rajkot seats. To get a clearer picture on the same and the latest trends coming in, Priyanka, my colleague, tracking the latest, also live with us on the broadcast. Priyanka, BJP already celebrating. They're confident of victory this time around in the civic body polls. What's the latest you're picking up as far as the trends go? We'll go across to Priyanka in just a bit, trying and establishing a connection with her. She's tracking the latest. BJP as of now is leading in over 65 seats. So certainly, as opposed to the Congress that is leading in 10 seats as of now, BJP is set for a massive victory. And Priyanka is back with us. Priyanka, more on the Gujarat Municipal Corporation election results. What are the trends looking like as of now?
Absolutely. Let's show you the celebration shots, in fact, because this really goes to show the kind of posturing as well that is being done by both the BJP and the Congress. This is exactly LD Engineering College. In fact, this is a counting station right outside where the BJP and the Congress party workers are in fact celebrating. They are, they're celebrating, they're chanting, they're sloganeering. But of course, these are early trends as of now. But there are several seats where the Congress is seen to be winning in several of the parts of Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation elections, specifically in the eastern parts of the city where Congress really believes is their vote banks as well. So those things being taken into consideration, Congress of course is celebrating here, but the BJP maintains that the BJP is going to get a majority in all of the municipality elections, not just Ahmedabad but also Bhavnagar, Jamnagar, Rajkot, Surat and Vadodara as well, because earlier we had seen that the third front conundrum, in fact, that the people were really wary of. They're saying that the third front is nowhere to be seen, that the AIMIM, the BTP and the Aam Aadmi Party are nowhere to be seen. There are several parties in Surat that Aam Aadmi Party had been waiting and thinking that probably Aam Aadmi Party will be able to make a mark in Surat at least, but even that does not seem to be possible as of now, because they're not leading in any of the seats and any of the wards as well. As of now, BJP leading in several of the wards, 65 wards that we were being told, at least in Ahmedabad, that the BJP is leading in. And there are, the Congress also leading in several parts of Ahmedabad, Bhavnagar, Jamnagar and Surat as well. Surat, of course, is going to be another important city to look out for as to what really the trends show, what kind of really the election results are going to be like. By evening, that will be exactly clear. But as of now, what we're also seeing is that this is going to be a litmus test for the Vidhan Sabha elections as well, litmus test for the current dispensation as well. As to this is going to be an indicator as to where all the parties stand with respect to the Vidhan Sabha elections that are due in the next year for Gujarat, for the state of Gujarat. So of course, a litmus test for Vijay Rupani, the Chief Minister as well, because earlier we had 8 seats of the Vidhan Sabha that had gone into by-polls, and the new BJP chief C.R. Patil had to really spearhead the entire campaigning, but the panchayat elections and the municipality elections were the responsibility of the current Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. So of course it's going to be very, very crucial for not just the BJP but also the Congress as to how much they will be able to make a mark in these local body polls, in the panchayat polls as well, because that will be an indicator of the anti-incumbency wave that the BJP might be facing after the pandemic, of course. So all these things being taken into consideration, all the parties understood the cruciality, the crucial timing of these elections as well, because this comes just 1.5 years before the assembly elections of Gujarat as well. So those things being taken into consideration, as of now we do see celebration being carried out by both the Congress and the BJP right outside the counting booth here exactly at LD Engineering, where we're reporting from, and the counting is still underway. And but the trends that are suggesting as of now is that the BJP is leading in several parts of the state, of several municipalities as well, specifically Ahmedabad, Surat, Jamnagar, Bhavnagar as well. So those things being taken into consideration, there is a celebration of sorts that is going on by both the BJP and the Congress.
Priyanka, why don't you take us through some of those reactions? Get to us some of those voices that you're picking up around yourself, because if we go by the breakdown of all 6 municipalities, BJP at this point in time certainly leading in at least 65 seats, Congress in 10 as of now. But as far as the celebrations go, what are the reactions that you're picking up?
Well, absolutely. Let's get in a word from several of the workers that have gathered here. All of them really celebrating. Let's get in a word from several of the Congress workers who are here and get in a word as to what they really believe. Ma'am, the Congress में से काफी सारे लोग अभी यहाँ पे celebration कर रहे हैं, माहौल बना रहे हैं. कांग्रेस में की काफी सारे सीट्स में लीड किया जा रहा है. क्या लगता है कांग्रेस पार्टी का क्या अस्तित्व बना पाएगी ये म्युनिसिपैलिटी को?
नहीं बना पाएगी कांग्रेस.
तो क्या बीजेपी? So you can see that there are BJP workers who are saying that the Congress will not be able to do anything in these elections, and that is really the sentiment, of course. We'll try to get in a word from several of the other workers who are present here. You can see that there are several workers who have gathered, all of whom had been celebrating, all of whom had been cheering and sloganeering. And let's get in a word from them. सर, कांग्रेस का इस बार बोला जा रहा है कि कांग्रेस अपना अस्तित्व बना पाएगी म्युनिसिपैलिटी इलेक्शंस में. कांग्रेस की सीट्स में कई सारी जगह पे लीडिंग ट्रेंड्स भी बताए जा रहे हैं. तो कांग्रेस का क्या अस्तित्व बना पाएगी इस लोकल इलेक्शंस में?
सर, ये जीत हुई है दरियापुर में 21 हमारे वार्ड का नीरव बख्शी, उनके ये हम कार्य कर रहे हैं. ये सारे के सारे विन हुए. ये संघर्ष की जीत है, अन्याय के सामने न्याय की जीत है. हमारी प्रतिष्ठा की जिंगे हमको जो परेशान कर रहा गया था उसकी जीत है. सर,
राम के नाम पे पैसे की मांग कर रहे हैं. रोज सुबह में आके राम के नाम के पैसे मांग रहे हैं, उघराणी कर रहे हैं कि हमको पैसा दो राम के नाम पे. भगवान के नाम पे ये पैसा क्या करेगा ये लोग?
आपको लगता है वो एक मुद्दा रहा है? और दूसरा जो ये थर्ड फ्रंट की जो बात हुई है, AIMIM की बात करें या आम आदमी पार्टी की बात करें, तो वो कांग्रेस की सीट्स को काटने की बात हो रही है. उसको
कुछ नहीं हुआ. हम बटने वाले नहीं थे. अभी इस बार जो पैनल आई है 3000 वोट से ज्यादा की पैनल है. हर साल हम बटने वाले लोग नहीं. हम संघर्ष के लिए काम करते हैं, विश्वास के साथ काम करने वाले लोग हैं. कांग्रेस के साथ खड़े रहने वाले. दरियापुर का विकास किया नीरव भाई बख्शी ने, सुंदर भाई बख्शी जो उनका फादर है.
और एक जो so you can see that of course a lot of celebration going on by the Congress workers, and there are of course celebration that is also going on by the BJP as well. We had 2 groups in fact that had come in front of each other. You can see the visuals here that the sloganeering and the celebrations really going on for one particular seat of Daryapur, as well as the workers were also telling us. Daryapur, of course, in the eastern parts of the city of Ahmedabad, where specifically the vote bank of the Congress in fact has always won from those particular seats. So you can see that the kind of celebration is also crucial to to understand as to what their opinion is as far as the third front is also concerned in Gujarat, because it has always been so that there has been a binary of politics that has been played in the state of Gujarat between the Congress and the BJP. So of course the third front was going to be crucial for both the parties to watch out for, but mostly the Congress, because we had the AIMIM, the BTP and the Aam Aadmi Party really who had been trying to create a place for themselves. But of course, several people did believe that they're only going to cut into the votes of the opposition, that is of the Congress party, which is why
Yes. Priyanka, for example, the Aam Aadmi Party has jumped into the fray for the first time. What is the status looking like as for the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned? And also, if you could just break down the other 6 municipalities as well. In fact, let me just quickly put out how in Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Jamnagar and Bhavnagar, BJP certainly leading at this point in time. Congress following the BJP with close to 10 seats in Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, and a lead in 4 seats in Rajkot, 5 in Jamnagar and 26 in Bhavnagar. That's what the situation is looking like as of now. Well, we'll keep tracking this story very, very closely for the moment. Moving on.